Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's your LOA bestie, Khali. In today's video, we are talking about the importance of self-concept. A good self-concept is important when manifesting because it helps you to believe in yourself and your abilities. When you have a positive self-concept, you are more likely to have a positive attitude and to be confident in your ability to achieve your goals. This, in turn, makes it easier for you to focus on positive thoughts and feelings, which is essential for manifesting your desires. Having a positive self-concept can also help you to overcome obstacles and challenges that may come up along the way. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, you're more likely to stay motivated and determined, even when things get difficult. This allows you to continue working towards your goals, even when it seems like they are out of reach. In short, a good self-concept is important when manifesting because it allows you to have a positive attitude and to stay focused on your goals, despite any obstacles that may come your way. By believing in yourself and your abilities, you can manifest the life that you desire. That's it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget that you are powerful and you can create your desired reality. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.